Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. In the fast-paced world of technology and design, even the most mundane objects undergo a transformation into stylish and functional works of art under the realm of modern electrical switch design, where the humble switch evolves into a striking and integral element of contemporary interior decor. Breaking free from the confines of traditional design, these switches now boast sleek lines, innovative shapes, and sophisticated finishes that effortlessly blend with modern aesthetics, from minimalist touch-sensitive panels that respond to the gentlest step to smart switches equipped with wireless connectivity and voice control. The operations are boundless beyond functionality. These modern switches add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any room, be it a luxurious penthouse or a cozy home. With a wide array of colors and finishes to choose from, they seamlessly complement diverse decor styles, elevating the overall ambience. So, as the technology continues to revolutionize our lives, the modern electrical switch design takes center stage, merging form and function into harmonious sympathy of convenience and beauty within our living spaces. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.